You can create a schedule for a document so that an instance of it is generated on a one-time or recurring basis. You can also define additional settings such as the output format and destination. In this tutorial, you will schedule the US sales report to run every hour for the next 24 hours. Note that this tutorial was recorded using the SAP Business Objects Business Intelligence 4.0 platform. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. Access the scheduling options for the document. Right-click the US Sales Report document. Select Schedule. Different scheduling options are available depending on the type of document. On the instance title page, you can enter a unique name for the instances generated by the schedule. Review the recurrence options. Click Recurrence. On the recurrence page, you can specify how often the schedule runs. By default, the document runs once at the current time. Change the recurrence to run hourly on a half hour for the next day. Click the Run Object list. Select Hourly. Click the Start Time Minute list. Select 30. Click the End Time Minute list. Select 30. Click End Time Calendar. Select 5. Review the Database Logon options. Click Database Logon. On the Database Logon page, you can enter the credentials required to access the data source, if required. Click in the Password text box. Enter the password for the administrator account, and then review the filter options. Type password and then click Filters. On the Filters page, you can review any existing filters in the report. Review the Formats options. Click Formats. On the Formats tab, you can choose the output format for the instances generated by the schedule. Click the Format options for selected document list. Note that you can select one of many different formats. Choose the default format. Select Crystal Reports. Review the Destinations options. Click Destinations. On the Destinations tab, you can choose where the generated instances will be located. Click the destination list. Note that you can choose to have the instances generated in the default location, or sent to a BI inbox, an email message, an FTP server, or a file system. Choose the default location. Select Default Enterprise Location. Review the Print Settings options. Click Print Settings. On the Print Settings page, you can choose how the finished report will be printed. Review the Events options. Click Events. On the Events page, you can choose events that can be used to trigger a new instance of the document, if appropriate. Review the Schedule Server Group options. Click Scheduling Server Group. On the Schedule Server Group page, you can specify which servers are used for the report for load balancing. Review the Languages options. Click Languages. On the Languages page, you can choose the languages in which the report will be generated, based on translation settings. Schedule the report. Click Schedule. Note that a recurring schedule has been added to the document history. Click Close. You have successfully scheduled a document. This is the end of the tutorial.